Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2025 Jaecoo J7. The 2025 Jaecoo J7 is a stylish and versatile compact SUV designed for both city drives and outdoor adventures. It combines a sleek look, modern technology, and off-road capabilities, making it a great choice for all kinds of drivers. Exterior, stylish and rugged. Grille, large hexagonal design with chrome and black mesh. Lights, sleek LED headlights, dynamic turn signals, and daytime running lights. Body, sharp, aerodynamic lines for a modern look. Wheels, 19-inch alloy wheels with off-road tires. Roof rails, functional and great for outdoor use. Colors, options like sunset orange, deep navy blue, and arctic white. Interior, comfortable and functional. Seating, faux leather seats with contrast stitching in dual-tone colors. Dashboard, clean, soft-touch design with metallic finishes. Tech, 12-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in navigation and voice assistant. Comfort, dual-zone climate control. Panoramic sunroof for an open feel. Spacious seating and ample cargo room. Performance, ready for adventure. Engines, 1.5L turbo with 156 horsepower. Optional 2.0L turbo with 190 horsepower. Transmission, smooth 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Drivetrain, standard front-wheel drive FWD. Optional all-wheel drive AWD for off-road use. Suspension, designed for both smooth roads and tough terrain. Technology and safety. Safety features, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera. Tech, wireless phone charging, customizable digital driver display, over-the-air software updates. Why pick the 2025 Jaecoo J7? Stylish and versatile, great for city use and outdoor trips. Modern features, advanced tech at an affordable price. Spacious and comfortable, fits families and active lifestyles. Affordable and reliable, a solid choice in the compact SUV market. Pricing and availability. Starting price, around $25,000. Release, available globally by mid-2025. Conclusion. The 2025 Jaecoo J7 is a smart mix of style, comfort, and capability. Whether you're driving through the city or tackling rough trails, it offers a reliable and enjoyable experience for every journey. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.